Hey everybody, in this video we're going to simplify an expression using the distributive property. Okay, so first of all, come over here and grab a pen or a marker. All right, and in fact what we're going to do is before we simplify we're going to distribute twice. Okay, so remember what this means is we have 8 of what's inside these parentheses and we're going to add 3 of what's inside these parentheses. Okay, so to simplify it we're going to go 8 times n is 8n. And then 8 times 2 is 16. And then to that we're going to add 3 groups of n is 3n. And then 3 groups of 5 is 15. All right, so now finally we can combine like terms. So 8n and 3n would be 11n. And then when we add the constants, 16 and 15 will give us 31. So our final answer is 11n plus 31.